Login loop error on Yodlee Fix. If your Yodlee connection keeps looping every time you try to log in, don't worry, this problem is more common than you think. Yodlee powers connections for many financial tools, from budgeting apps to investment dashboards. But when your login keeps bouncing back, it can be frustrating. Most people assume their password is wrong, but that's not the real issue. The surprising truth is that login loop errors on Yodlee usually come from outdated authentication tokens, expired sessions, or old cached data. Essentially, your app and Yodlee's server stop speaking the same security language. Here's how to fix it. Start by closing the app or website completely. On your phone, go into Settings, select the app using Yodlee, and clear the cache and stored data. If you're on a browser, clear cookies and site data, then refresh the page. Next, reopen the app and reconnect your bank. Enter your credentials manually, don't rely on autofill. If your bank sends a code for two-factor authentication, enter it quickly. Delaying even a few seconds can cause the session to expire and restart the login loop. If you're using VPN or private browsing mode, disable it before trying again. Yodlee security systems might interpret those as suspicious and block the connection. Another step that helps: check your phone or computer's time settings. Make sure it's set to automatic. Time mismatches can break encryption handshakes and confuse login systems. Finally, update both your app and operating system. Older versions may not be compatible with Yodlee's new security requirements. After following these steps, reconnect your account. You should now log in without any looping. So, if you've been stuck in a Yodlee login loop, don't panic. It's not your password. It's a small sync issue between your app and Yodlee. Clear your cache, authenticate, and you'll be back to tracking your finances smoothly in no time.